Always been looking for a way to give back, and when I think in the past, I'm always humbled by the people that went before us and kind of blazed the trail and invested in FFA and other agricultural programs. And I was always looking for a way, and it really excites me to be able to invest in our next generation of future agriculturists, teachers, scientists, and if it helps one kid get an opportunity to pursue a passion, it's a big win for everybody. I grew up outside Tracy, Minnesota on a diversified crop and cattle hog farm. Went to NDSU for my undergrad in animal science, was always looking forward to coming home and farming. That opportunity didn't work out, so I continued to go on to graduate school. Got my master's and PhD in swine nutrition, and today I have a company called Ideal Animal Nutrition, and we serve pig farmers from Canada to Kansas, Montana to Indiana, helping them solve production problems, be more profitable, and just be on their farm. No, I've chaperoned the Tracy chapter for I think the last 3 or 4 years. Okay. I have a couple daughters in the Tracy chapter, so they've asked me to come up, and I also coach the general livestock judging team. I always look most forward to seeing the kids and seeing their accomplishments, because in the news and the social media and everything, you see how bad kids are, and you get up here and these kids are just awesome, how much work they put into their programs and their projects, how respectful they are. They conform to the dress code even though they don't like it, but I think that's awesome, and it just gives you a sense that, yeah, the future is going to be really good, especially for rural America and agriculture. I always think without volunteer hours and monetary donations, things like this doesn't happen or continue to progress into the future. So when I challenge people to do this, I think about what's been given to you in your past and the opportunities you've been given, and provide that for the future.